Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show with you a secret command that you can easily use to quickly open up your internet properties on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So how do you do that? Go ahead and open up the run command on your Windows. Simple type in run in search there and you will see the run command. You can open that. And all you have to do, guys, is simple type in inetcpl.cpl. So simple type in inetcpl.cpl and you will go ahead and type that in and just simply hit enter, and it will quickly go ahead and open up your internet properties for you in Windows. And as you can see here, you have all the properties here of Windows. You can go under your general settings here where you can easily clear temporary file history, cookies, and so forth. Go ahead and find your security settings, your privacy, your content, connection, programs, and advanced features here for your internet here on your computer. And this is very easy, guys. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way how to quickly open up your internet properties, you can easily use this secret command by simple typing inetcpl.cpl on your computer. Very easy and very simple.